Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, I'm discussing about this one important topic. What is that topic? So everyone using for Instagram and Facebook. Yes. So previous we can post in Instagram and Facebook purpose. We can using for Facebook Creator Studio option. If you're not watching that video, you can watching from here. That already I'm creating for a particular option will be created here. In this below option will be here. The option name is called social media links will be created by in this below option. So in this one, how is the posting for Facebook page and Instagram at a time without using for Creator Studio. So I'm not using any Creator Studio. First of all, your Facebook page will be connecting Instagram mandatory. Go to settings. Here will be connecting Instagram will be compulsory mandatory field. So this will be connected here. So after this one will be here in the particular option. So will be connect. After that, the recently they give one feature is called Facebook Business Shoot option. When you use this option will be at any time we can posting for videos, multiple images, everything possible onto the Instagram account. Into the Instagram and Facebook also will be given here. First of all, select the create post. What are the posts you can done from Instagram and Facebook? So here, Instagram, Facebook, one difference are there. So what is the difference is called? Suppose I'm not selecting for Instagram. If I'm sharing in text also, we can publish by Facebook. But if I'm selecting for Instagram also, only text is not acceptable. Compulsory image will be acceptable. So there is a major key point for here. So here I'm selecting for photos in this. These are the photos. I'm selecting for multiple photographs. You can see this one. I'm selecting for multiple photographs. After this one, I'm adding for content here. At a time I'm sharing for Facebook and Instagram. Facebook and Instagram. See this. They are posting for multiple images. Each image will be different pattern also will be. Here is the add your photos and select by option. Here customize Facebook post, customize Instagram post. Everything will be valid for in this option here. So this option finally content will be there. Everything here. Any add the photograph will be add photo will be here. The compulsory add your photograph. In this Facebook business shoot, we can using for two purpose, photos and adding the video. But video will be adding only one. But photos will be adding multiple from Facebook and Instagram also. Facebook and Instagram also. Now I'm clicking for publish. After publish this content, at a time will be posting for Facebook page and Instagram also. Both option will be published for Instagram and Facebook also. If anything will be required, here is that. Now we can go to refresh my account. What are the posting done here? We can check it out. Each will be complete will be showing for slider. So the image will be appear or not, the compulsory you have to check here. The compulsory option will be in this. Now go back to home page. I'll show you with showing for multiple images. Create a post. Add photos. So in add photos, select some images. Previous and I'm not adding the perfect images. Now adding for perfect image will be here. So in this adding image will be done. So how many image you can add? Add the image will be. But go with the 4 to 5 images is better. Now click for publish. If anyone asking one question, can you publish multiple photographs on Instagram? It is possible or not? It is possible for using Facebook Business Shoot. So I'm adding for photographs. So guys, some people are one asking recently one question. Sir, I'm unable to watch my business shoot option. There's a purpose in your page. They're showing this business shoot option. Is a official not showing for this option. No worry about that. The showing will be here. Some people are not showing. You can log in your Facebook will be incognito window or Mozilla Firefox. Google Chrome persons some facing these issues. So that using for Mozilla and using for Google Chrome incognito window. This compulsory important. After that, publish. So now I can publish my images will be multiple images on Facebook and Instagram. So previous everyone uploading for multiple images, they go into mobile option, but nowadays not required. The simple we can upload by the multiple images on desktop on Instagram by using Facebook business suite option. And one more option is there. This option will be available on the mobile version also. So easily you can go to mobile and install the Facebook business suite application and upload the images and use on the particular Facebook and Instagram. So this is the method we have to follow that onto the posting the images Facebook and Instagram also. So this is useful and to the every Facebook and Instagram users. And one more important question. Facebook will be connecting Instagram is perfect. The Facebook page will be connecting Instagram and one Facebook page connecting only for one Instagram account. Suppose you have one Instagram account, multiple Facebook pages is not possible. Multiple Instagram, one Facebook page is not possible. One Facebook page only connecting for one Instagram. So the compulsory. People asking in the comment box, sir, have previous one Instagram is there that I can remove from that Instagram. Can I add new one? Obviously, add the new one. Go to setting option, Instagram. Previous any option will be there. Disconnect, add the new Instagram, and post as usual into the particular Facebook business suite. Sometime it asking for connect. Just you can connect them by login by Instagram password and post your content Facebook and Instagram single image multiple image single video onto the Facebook and Instagram. Not possible for multiple videos onto the Facebook business shoot option. Previous using for Creator Studio that also applicable one image, but Facebook business shoot we can upload the multiple images Facebook and Instagram also. Useful it. Any doubts will be there. Comment me in the comment box, and always I will support to the website Rakesh Tech Solution. You can connect with me. I'm always guide you. What are the doubts you have? I definitely will be support. Thank you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Get it for notification purpose. Get the bell icon. And what are the doubts on about Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everything SEO? Ask me in the comment box or email me. I'll make the video. I'll chat with you personally into my personal chat box. Don't worry to connect with any new update purpose. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching video.